friends, moi Jennifer, and I am back amar weekly update loy. This week was an emotionally mixed week for us. Mixed karon we had some really good news aru some sad news to cope with. So let's see keneke amar furry friends shelterot asil aru keneke bhal bear majot ei hoptatu par hol. Amar Raja is fine this week. He bhale ase. He smiles at everyone who passes by, lively as always. Kalia's cough olop bhal hoise, but the recovery is very gradual. He is still not completely cured. He still needs a lot of care. Amar Akho Katara. Akhu amar logot itiao ase. And he's enjoying his time with us and his furry friends. And best part is, he enjoys human company more than his furry friends. Ami gole, he's on cloud 9. He loses his ground literally. He is super excited, super happy, loves to play, loves to be pampered. I guess that is why we are a little biased towards Akhu, because he doesn't shy away from expressing his love towards us. Hetu hol amar adorable Akhu. Juju ei hopta bhale ase. There is no worry as such. She has already taken 5 shots of chemotherapy and her cancer looks completely cured now. Besides, her blood level is also satisfactory and we were planning to get her sterilized. But unfortunately, our fund status is such that we can only think of it. We are actually looking for someone who is ready to sponsor for her sterilization. Jodi kunuba bisare to sponsor and bear the cost, then please do connect with us. We will be more than grateful to you. Umid's antibiotic course is now complete. Itya he's only taking supplements and we are giving him good rest. Lahe he is getting better and his wounds are also almost healed. So there is nothing to worry as such. This is Koli. Koli ityao bahut bhoy kore. She only goes to the corner and keeps on hiding herself. The only person she trusts is the caretaker of the shelter. Her amputation stitches are almost healed now, but we are waiting for her hemoglobin to be little stable. Arusage ek hoptaman lagibo. This is Dhubi. Last week, Dhubir update diya nohol. Dhubi hol amar another senior dog. Tar ekhon bhori ampute kora hoise. He is almost like a permanent member of the shelter. He can walk on his 3 legs but is not very confident about the busy road. He belongs to that locality only, but he prefers being at the crèche with us. So you can call him a permanent member. Champ is happy as always. He is busy with his best buddy Raja, chilling together at the crèche.
This is Bogu. Bogu is doing well. He is getting his IR therapy and physiotherapy regularly. And in between, he tries to stand up on his own. These signs makes us feel really positive and we are very confident that he will be able to walk soon. And the most depressing news of the week was that Papor left us. He passed away. But the only thing that keeps us at peace is that he is free from all his health issues. His arthritis problem towards the end had really aggravated due to the cold. The only thing that composes us is that Papor is free from all his health issues. He had been with us for the past 3 months. As you can see, he was badly affected with mange. His condition was terrible. The good thing was, during his last 3 months with us, at least he wasn't alone. He had his furry friends beside. And he was all cuddled and cozied up under the blanket at night. At least for the last 3 months, he didn't have to struggle for his meals. Rest in peace, dear Papor. these three adorable pups that you can see were dumped in a petrol pump early this week. Thanks to one of our well-wishers who kept them for a day. And we immediately put up an adoption and foster appeal. Thanks to Manaswini who approached us and volunteered to foster them. We did not waste time and we immediately dropped the pups that day itself. Now the pups are doing well, they are dewormed and are up for adoption. Reach out to us if you want to be the lucky ones to have them. They are all males. Now finally it's time for the best news of the week. You know what? Kit Kat is adopted. Yes, Kit Kat is finally adopted by a loving soul. Her name is Pallavi and she's a die-hard animal lover. She's got guinea pigs, she's got another indie dog, and she's an animal lover to the core. We are so happy that Kit Kat finally found a loving home. That too after such a prolonged wait. That is why we never give in for hasty adoptions. We always wait to find a perfect companion for our furry friends. We are so happy for you, Kit Kat, and we are so happy for you, Pallavi. God bless you too. And যদি আপোনালোকে ভাবি আছে that this is the only good news, then you are wrong, because Maxi is also adopted. Yay! Yes, Maxi is adopted by another great soul named Preetham. And Preetham happens to be the friend of our member Sri Shendu. So once we came to know that Sri Shendu's friend Preetham is interested in adopting Maxi, we did not give second thoughts. We definitely knew that Sri Shendu would find a perfect companion for our Maxi. And true enough, Maxi is enjoying the time of her life. You know what? Preetham actually sings to Maxi. Yes. Isn't that cool? We are so happy for Kit Kat and Pallavi and Maxi and Preetham. Team Saw wishes the four of you a great life ahead. There's another news for everyone. Yes, Street Animal Welfare is coming up with a calendar featuring all our rescued babies. Yes, this wall calendar will be available to you for ₹500. And we are hoping that we might be able to collect some funds to help our rescued babies. And yes, let us know if you think our idea is good enough. And yes, we are open to suggestions. So for now, that was it. And until we meet next Sunday, this is Jennifer wrapping up today's episode with this happy note.
Maxi.